How to report Robinhood taxes on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you traded stocks, options, or cryptos on Robinhood, you need to report your capital gains, losses, and dividends on your tax return. For this, you want to first of all get your Robinhood tax documents. Then you want to import the Robinhood 1099 into TurboTax. For that, open TurboTax and sign into your account. Now go to wages and income. From there, select investments and savings. Now, you want to select Robinhood as your financial institution. Now, you will have to enter your Robinhood credentials over here and click on the Get Form option. If automatic import doesn't work, click on Enter a different way. Now you can upload your 1099 CSV file manually or enter transactions individually. In order to enter it manually, click on the option of Type it in myself. Now enter all of these details over here. Then you want to review your Robinhood transactions. Once you have reviewed it, TurboTax will apply the correct tax rate based on your trades. If you had a loss over $3,000, the excess will carry over to future years. Now e-file your return, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.